Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to talk to you about stable audio. It launched today. It's by the group Stability AI. You know, the guys and gals that are creating all of those great, SDXL and all those great free AI models that you're using to create all those cool images with and some to form for video. Well, now they're working on stable audio and they've got some text to audio AI and it is fantastic. You can create up to 45 seconds long footage for free just right out of the box here, and it does a great job. Let me give you an example of one that I just created a few seconds ago, and then I'll show you some of the other things you can do with this. All right, so that's 44 seconds long. Now you'll notice here that you can change the duration. So if you just want a 5-second long snippet, you just type in 5 and presto, you got a 5-second. If you want to create a background track, like maybe a harmony, maybe you want a guitar solo, you just type in literally whatever you want. So I typed in epic cinematic movie trailer because that sounded cool to me, and now I've got another one processing called choir singing classical music. I will note that this just launched today, like I said, so there's a little bit of a server delay, so that's sometimes you ask to create something and it just goes into a loop, so keep that in the back of your head. But all you need to do is literally just type in what you want. So if I wanted a 120 beats per minute, chill, hop, slow, lo-fi, I don't know, something like that with percussion and bass, with maybe, I don't know, some clarinet, with a clarinet in, whatever. You can just type in literally whatever it is you're looking for, and it will go ahead and start creating you examples. Again, this is currently free to use. Now, if you go over here to the user guide, I want to show you a few things. Right now, there's only one model that it's using, and it was trained on Sparks Audio, I believe is the name. So again, it's free, but it's still limited. It's the first day type thing. But here's some examples. You can create full instrumentals. I'll just play this one here for you. Okay, that sounds like I was, in Ibiza doing Ibiza things. Okay, we got a cool little disco drum machine action going on there, but you can just literally type in, but it also gives you the prompts. So check this out. Yeah, you want an electric guitar solo? There you go. Here is the exact prompt it used to create that. So if you're ever not sure what you want to create, just go ahead and read some of these example prompts and you'll get something that sounds similar to it. You can set you can even set the beat 3/4, 4/4, 4/4. Oh, that's cool. Also sound effects. I know a lot of people like to use these in your YouTube videos. Listen to this, for example. Pretty good. Car passing by, fireworks. I mean, just really, really good stuff. It's really, really cool what they're doing here. Again, I'll put a link to this in the description below. But yeah, they're using a diffusion model for this. I forgot to mention. So you know what? It creates something new every single time. And it's just super, super cool. Also, I should notice the licensing here. As a free user, you can use generated audio via stable audio as a sample in your own music production, like a music track. However, as a paid user, you can use it in commercial projects, including videos, games, podcasts. The interesting thing, though, is videos is included in the paid section. So it's not clear if that means YouTube videos. It may not. I guess we're going to have to get some clarity around that. But possibly you can't use these in YouTube videos, or you can only use them in non-commercial videos. Not sure yet, waiting for the verdict on that. But anyways, check Stable Audio out. Give it a crack. Give it a shot. Write a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.